Top 10 US and international fiber optic suppliers. Fiber optic manufacturers. Fiber optic manufacturers draw glass or plastic into a transparent fiber or a diameter slightly thicker than that of human hair. Standard optical fibers are made in a two steps process. First, a large diameter per form is made with a carefully controlled refractive index profile. A low refractive index means that little to no light is lost of by the material, ensuring high fidelity of transmission. Secondly, the perform is pulled to form the long thin optical fiber. After the fiber is pulled or drawn, it may be coated to enhance its refractive index. Many of these companies produce material for their industries, so fiber optic just one of many products which they manufactures. Most manufacturing is concentrated in China, as that is the fastest growing region for telecommunication and economic growth. Top 10 US fiber optic companies. We have outlined key US suppliers of fiber optic and summarized them in the table below. Ranked by revenue is descending order. Where such information was reported additional, we have included each company years founded and their headquarter location. Estimate revenue shown is millions of US dollars. US producers of fiber optic cable. This is the table. Fiber optic cable manufacturers company summaries. First on the list of top fiber optic manufacturers is OFS, which offers fiber and fiber optic cables as well as optical and fiber laser components. Fusion suppliers fiber laser amplifier modules and optical connectivity and specialty products. Mauser Electronic is Mancified. TX is the second sport. The company offers fiber optic cables and cables assemblies as well as switches, connectors, transmitters, development tools, receivers, and transceivers. In the third sport of the company distributes unromped, armored single jacket, indoor, outdoor, and ribbon fiber optic cables as well as communication cable bridge, conduit system, aerial hardware, and underground communication products. Roback Fluid Power Company offers fiber optic products for automation applications. Additionals offer pneumatics, electronics, lubrications, fluid conveyance, and aluminum structure forming products. Is fifth on the list. It offers fiber optic raw material, fiber cables, assemblies, optical components, and accessories. Is other offering include vehicles, electrical appliances, infrastructure, enterprise data solution, factory automation, and robotics and healthcare cable and wire product. Esseltech in Batavia, manufactures fiber optic communication products including modems, multiplexers, repeaters, hubs, and cable assemblies for LAN, WAN, industrial, and military applications.